What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I am going to show you my portfolio. Okay guys, so back last year when stable fund was pumping, I was using majority of my daily rewards from stable fund to DCA, so I've managed to stake some DCA right here. My current portfolio from that DCA is 6.2k right now, and as you can see right here, total profit and losses, I am up 8.8%, which is equals 511 bucks. Okay, and if I scroll down, you can see the coins that I have DCA, and over here profits and losses, right? So you can see majority of them are in green because the market is been pumping lately. Okay guys, so that's why you should do DCA when the market crashes, because buy coins at low cost, and then eventually when the market pumps, you make a few X's from your investment. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do today. So I have this portfolio, and then I have coins to buy. So I've been doing some research about coins to buy, and they will potentially do from 5 to 10 X's. Okay guys, not financial advice. This is just me, picking coins that I think in the future, in the next bull run, they will do me 5 to 10 X's. That's why I decided to add these coins to my portfolio, coins to buy, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So I have 500 bucks, between 500 and 600 bucks to spend on those coins. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tick the 24-hour price chart, and I'm gonna buy the ones that are red and with the highest red percentage. Okay, so Eagle Verse IGU is the first one in line. Okay guys, so this one is down 19%. Okay, so if you click on IGU, right, you can see over here we can see all the information. Obviously I'm not going to go into details about every single coin. I'm just showing the coin that I'm going to buy and the potentials of that coin. Okay guys, so this coin right here is new, just launched. It has a good potential, and if it goes to $1, I will make a 5x from this one. Okay, so places that I can buy, where I can coin, is gate.io. Okay guys, so I just signed up for gate.io. Okay, so now I am going to buy this IGU. So if you come over here to gate.io, if this loads up, okay, there you go. Okay, we come over here, we type in IGU. Okay, and as you can see right here, the coin is there. Okay, another cool thing is over here it shows you the exchanges where you can buy the coin, and over here you can do a comparison. You can see where you can buy the cheapest, and right now this one, yeah, gate.io is the cheapest place you can buy this coin right here. Okay, it's just a few pennies, but in the long run, if you buy in bulk, it might make a big change. Okay, so keep that in mind. So we have IGO. No, we don't have IGO. We have Bitcoin. We don't want a Bitcoin. We want IGU. This one right here, IGU USDT, right there. Okay, and I'm gonna spend 30 bucks. I'm gonna spend 30 bucks. So buy IGU. So I've got 250 there. So okay, so we're gonna go for 30 bucks. I would like to spend a bit more, but let's go with 30 bucks. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Yes, I want to spend 30 bucks on the IGU. So we're gonna go ahead and confirm. Fun password. Okay, let me put the fun password. Okay, that's done. So if we scroll down, we can see the order history or trade history, and we can see the number of tokens, well, the purchase right here. Okay, so I bought the token price at this price right here, 0.21925. The amount of tokens that I purchased was 136.830, and the total spent is 30 bucks, and over here we got a fee right there. Okay guys, so what I do now is I come over here, I come over here and where is it? I forgot, it's been a minute since last time I did this. So buy and sell. It's been a minute, so you can add to your portfolio. Oh, it's been a minute since last time I did this. Hang on, guys. Okay, I remember now. So you come over here to the main one, okay, IGU, and then click plus. When you click plus, it will say add transaction. Okay, so you click on total spent, okay, and then you enter the amount. So I spent 30 bucks, and the quantity was, this is so slow on gate.io. The quantity was this one right here, 136.830. Okay, so 136.830, and over here, as you can see, it gives you the price. Okay, so 950. There you go, 925. Yeah, 925. And yeah, that's it. That's what I do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and submit, and this transaction will be registered. Okay, so now my portfolio will change. Okay, so what I will do from here, I will then move this coin from the coins to buy, because I already purchased, to my portfolio, and that's what I will do to the next following coins. Okay, so the coins that I'm going to buy today, I'm not sure if you're waiting to see this or not. Okay, let me just hit on 24 hours so you can see the coins that I'm buying, and then I'm not gonna keep this video long showing the coins and on every single transaction. So I'm gonna buy IGU, it's down 17.4%. I'm gonna buy Hello, is down 15.3%. I'm gonna buy Blur. Then you can do your own research at your own time. All you gotta do is click on the coin. Okay, you scroll down, you can see the stats of the coin. Okay, how long it's been live, all-time high, all-time low, trading volume, etc. Okay, and over here we can see information about the coin. And if you keep scrolling, you will find more information. If you don't find it there, you can come over here. Where is info? Where is info? You can find some more information. There you go. You can find more information about the project. And then, you know, if you want to do a really deep dive into, you just go to socials, and then on socials you can find Twitter page, you can find a Telegram group, you can go to the website, etc. Okay, guys, so that's how I do my stuff. That's how I do my research and find these coins. Okay, guys, you know, so you can see the website right here, white paper, contracts, Twitter, Telegram, etc. Okay, guys, so every coin has their statistics, their stats, okay, and they have the information right here. Okay, guys, so now it's up to you to do your own research. So now I pause this video, right? So I'm gonna buy these coins, and then once I'm done with it, I'm gonna continue the video. I'm gonna show you my coins to buy portfolio. Okay, guys, DCA is done. So let me just refresh this, and let's see how much I've spent today. I ain't got a clue. Probably about 400, 500 bucks. We'll see. You know, this is an investment, long-term investment. So I might have to wait 6 months to a year to, you know, in order to sell one of these coins. But hopefully, let's say I spend 400 bucks, 30 bucks on each coin, okay? And then let's say in 6 months to a year time, one of these coins do me a 10x. Okay, so that's 30 times 10, 300 bucks. Okay, my investment was 481 or 480. Okay, and just in one coin, I will make 10x. So I will recoup more than half of my investment. Okay, so we're talking about several coins right here. Okay, so I hardly doubt that only one's gonna do me 10x. Okay, so if let's say 5 of them do 5x, okay, so that's 30 times 5, which is 150, and then times 5. Okay, 150 times 5, 150, 300, 600, 750 right there. Okay, guys, and that's how we do the DCA. So I purchased the ones that are red, you know, minus the percentage, okay, in red, big reds, and a purchase, right? As you can see right here, some of them are pumping up, you know, but you know, I'm not concerned because I'm playing this long term. I'm just wondering why I have minus 37 right here. I've probably done something wrong. Maybe I ain't got a clue why I'm down. Why I'm down that much, you know, because I just started, right? But yes, I will have to check it out. Not really sure why it's showing down. 34.8%, but never mind, guys. I'm gonna give you an update. So what I'm gonna do now, because I already got these coins, so I don't have these coins to buy, I'm gonna add these coins to my portfolio, to my main portfolio right here. Okay, and yeah, guys, I will give you an update as soon as I have more coins, or I will come over here and do the DCA. Okay, over here we can see the coins that I purchased or that I'm holding right now. Okay, and is there anything else? Yeah, that's it. That's it. So there is no graph. So if you come over here to my other portfolio, okay, we can see a graph, and we can see the coins that I'm holding and everything. Okay, guys. So yeah, I used to DCA a lot when stable fund was pumping. Okay, but you know, we all know that stable fund is over. So I stopped my DCA for a bit. I shouldn't stop really though, because my passive income continued. I just was like, damn, stable fund is down, so then no more DCA. But I should have DCA'd a little bit more. But it is what it is, guys. So this is my portfolio. You can see the coins that I'm holding. And again, if I retain my overall portfolio, I'll be in like 50 to 60K. Okay, that would be awesome. But you know, it's a long-term play, long shot. But hopefully, once Bitcoin goes to 100K, everything will pump up as well. Okay, so as you can see right here, it goes up and up. You know, it's a steady upwards trend. Okay, because you know, the more you DCA, the more you will earn in the long run. So I stopped DCA around here when stable fund stopped. Okay, and then I start back in January. Okay, guys. So yes, that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.